So we're gonna try the Warhead Extreme Challenge on the plane. Cheers. Ready?
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review. Tomorrow's a special day because we're gonna go to Los Angeles.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to Los Angeles tomorrow. And it is the twins' first time on the airplane. Are you ready? You excited? Huh? They've never been on the airplane before.
She's training.
Are you training to sit on the seat by yourself on the airplane? You guys are both training to sit on the seat by yourself on the airplane? Maybe you can just sit together on the airplane. What do you think? Sit down, let's practice. There you go.
They can both sit in the same one spot.
Yeah, there you go. Let's practice. And sit down for the airplane ride. Woo! All right, you guys ready to go to bed? We have a long day tomorrow. Okay, going on the airplane ride for the first time. Okay? Bedtime! Okay, so the twins are asleep, but we're packing for them. Ryan's helping me pack the twins' clothes. We're gonna be gone for a few days, so hopefully we have enough, right? Next, after the twins' clothes, we gotta pack
My clothes.
That's right. Are you ready to go, Emma? You ready to go? Let's go! Yeah, let's go to California!
Are we going in the car?
Yeah, we're leaving. Are you ready to go to California? You ready?
Car?
Yes, right now. Oh, we just got to the airport and Emma was asleep. That's why she's a little bit grouchy, right? I know. There's Kate. Yeah, they were asleep in the car ride. You guys okay? Yeah, Daddy will put you up, okay? All right, so let's buckle you and then let's get going. You ready to go?
I'm a little bit tired too.
Yeah, Ryan was asleep too. You guys ready to go? You ready to go? Yay, elevator. Go. Hello. Alright, so let's go. Let's go. We're here at the airport. Look, Ryan's playing with you. What? He's just like kicking a suitcase. Aww. They're a little bit grouchy today.
They're putting it down.
Yeah, they're a little bit grouchy. You grouchy? Aww.
Run.
Okay, so we're a little bit late, so we have to keep running, right?
Sorry.
Daddy's going super fast. Right, Ryan's running super fast too. We barely made it, you guys. We barely made it, right?
Almost.
All right, let's get out. Let's get out. All right. Oh. Enter the flight. You ready, Emma? You ready to enter the airplane? Yeah? This is Emma's first time on the flight. Right? Are you ready? No, you too. All right, so let's go. It's 5, Ryan. 5 A and B. You see number 5? We're on the way back, probably. Yeah. There you go.
This is your bag right here?
There you go.
I'm scared too.
Why? What's over there?
Because we're a little bit high.
Oh, we're a little bit high. That's our window. Huh? It's Emma's first time, so she's a little bit scared. It's okay, Emma. I'm going to hold you the whole time. Huh? It's Emma. First time. Yeah, Emma's first time on the plane. Look at your hair, so crazy. Yeah. Kate's first time and she's a little bit scared. That's why she's holding on to Daddy. It's okay, Kate. Alright, so Ryan is playing on his iPad while we wait.
Mommy has the next challenge to make it sweet again.
So we're gonna try the Warhead Extreme Challenge on the plane.
Mommy.
With Emma. Oh, she doesn't know what's coming.
Uh-oh.
Mommy and Emma's gonna try the pink one.
Ryan's gonna try the blue one.
Yeah. Okay, shower. Uh-oh, Emma wants it. No. Spit it out. Emma's eating some grapes. Here you go. You want some grapes? Grapes? Grapes! Whoa. We're moving. We're about to take off. Ryan is playing. What you playing there?
Red ball 4.
Red ball 4. You guys know
And I'm on the 4th level.
Really? 4th level. That's exciting. So hopefully Emma and Kate will behave. Okay, hopefully Emma and Kate will behave. Daddy over there looking sad. Oh. Yeah. It's her first time, so hopefully. Can you be a good girl, please? No. She said no. Okay, we are taking off. It's going faster and faster. Emma's okay. She doesn't mind. Flying high in the air, guys.
Oh, I can't even see outside. See a little bit.
Emma's being nosy. She's like, what's going on back there? Now, she's drinking milk. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Oh, what are you doing? She's trying to take off her shoe. Taking off your shoe? No shoe? No shoe? She's trying to put on her shoe. Shoe? Okay, I'll put it on. Now Emma's checking out what Ryan's doing.
I want to get out of my seat because of her. She's so cute.
We're almost here, you guys. She looks so cute. So Emma finally fell asleep. I was so exhausted with Emma. She finally fell asleep, right?
Yeah, I know.
I keep trying to rock her back and forth, and she did not want to go to bed.
And we know it looks like it's bright, but it's really dark outside.
It is so late right now.
What time is it?
It is time for bed.
We're finally here in California.
Finally! Emma's still asleep.
It's so cool out here. Boo.
We're here. Alright, so we just got out of the plane. You guys notice what happened? Kate lost her shoe on the plane somehow. Yeah, where's your shoe? Emma has her shoes. Yeah, so Daddy has to go back inside to find the shoe. Hopefully he can find it. Yay! Daddy found the shoe. Now we got 2. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so now we're in the rental car ride. They're going to drive us to get a rental car. Are you ready? Are you ready for your first bus ride? First bus ride. Yay! Also follow us on Instagram at Ryan's Family Review. We post extra photos on there and extra footage on there that is not in our YouTube vlog. And then what did Emma do the other day that was so cute?
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, Ryan was wishing everybody a Thanksgiving on Instagram, and then Emma was like, bye, bye. It was so cute. Y'all should check it out. Okay, bye.
Have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe for